Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within the towering majesty of Earth's tallest mountains? Let's embark on a journey to the realm of these giants, where the air is thin, the clouds are below us, and the world seems to stretch out endlessly. Mountains, with their imposing stature and raw beauty, have captivated the human imagination since time immemorial. They stand as silent sentinels, overseeing the passage of centuries, their peaks shrouded in mystery and inspiring countless tales of adventure and exploration. These natural wonders are not merely a sight to behold, they play a crucial role in our planet's ecosystem. Mountains are nature's water towers, storing precious H2O in the form of glaciers and ice fields, and supplying it to millions of people downstream. These rugged landscapes are also hosts to a rich array of biodiversity, providing habitats for a multitude of species that have adapted to thrive in these challenging conditions. Beyond their ecological importance, mountains shape our climate, redirecting wind patterns and influencing rainfall distribution. They act as natural barriers, often determining the course of rivers and the formation of weather fronts. Their slopes and valleys capture and retain rainfall, preventing floods and soil erosion in lower regions. Mountains also hold a significant place in our cultural heritage. They have been woven into our folklore, our art, and our literature. Many indigenous cultures revere mountains as sacred places, and these majestic peaks continue to draw adventurers and explorers from all corners of the world, each seeking their own personal summit. But these towering giants didn't just appear out of nowhere. They are the result of millions of years of geological processes, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Each mountain has its own unique story, written in the rocks and ridges that form its imposing silhouette. As we look to the skies, these peaks seem to touch the heavens. But how did they come to be? The answer to this question lies deep within the Earth, in the restless movement of tectonic plates and the fiery heart of our planet. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of mountain formation. The birth of a mountain, a geological marvel, is an event of epic proportions. Imagine the surface of our planet as a jigsaw puzzle, but instead of cardboard pieces, we have gigantic slabs of rock referred to as tectonic plates. These plates, constantly moving, albeit at a glacial pace, are the maestros of mountain formation. The first type of mountains we'll discuss are fold mountains, and they're aptly named. Picture two of these colossal plates colliding, the pressure pushing them together, causing the land in between to crumple and fold, much like a rug when you push its ends towards each other. This process, albeit happening over millions of years, gives birth to some of the world's most majestic ranges, including the Himalayas and the Rockies. Next up are fault block mountains. These are the result of faults or fractures in the Earth's crust. When tension causes a block of land to drop down, the adjacent blocks rise, standing tall as mountains. The Sierra Nevada in North America, a classic example, owes its grandeur to this process. Finally, we turn to volcanic mountains born out of the Earth's fiery temperament. When the molten rock, or magma, from the Earth's core forces its way to the surface, it hardens and piles up over time, creating mountains. The iconic Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa are both testament to this fiery process. While these processes may seem violent and tumultuous, it's essential to remember that they occur over millions, even billions of years. The mountains we see today have been shaped by innumerable such events, each adding a new layer, a new story to their history. So these towering giants are the result of millions of years of Earth's relentless movements and transformations. To truly understand the majesty of these giants, we need to journey to their peaks. Embarking on a trek to the summit of these towering behemoths is not for the faint-hearted. It's an endeavor fraught with challenges and dangers, each step a dance with the unknown. Mountain climbing, you see, is not merely a physical test, but a mental one as well. It demands endurance, tenacity, and an unyielding spirit that quivers not in the face of adversity. The higher we ascend, the more treacherous the journey becomes. The air grows thin, making each breath a battle, each step a Herculean task. This is the wrath of altitude sickness, a grim reminder of our human limitations. It's a silent assailant that can strike without warning, heralding symptoms such as dizziness, nausea, and shortness of breath. Yet, despite these challenges, we press on. We adapt, we overcome, we acclimatize, allowing our bodies to adjust to the diminished oxygen levels. We learn to breathe slowly, to conserve our energy, to pace ourselves. We learn to listen to our bodies, to heed their warnings, to respect their boundaries. As we inch closer to the summit, the landscape transforms around us. The terrain becomes rugged, the vegetation sparse. The temperatures drop, the winds howl, the snow crunches beneath our boots. It's a world far removed from the one we know, a world where survival is not guaranteed, yet a world that captivates us with its stark beauty and its raw, untamed power. And then, after days, perhaps weeks of relentless struggle, we reach the summit. The world unfurls below us, a breathtaking panorama of earth and sky. It's a moment of triumph, of joy, of indescribable euphoria. We stand atop the world, humbled yet exhilarated, our hearts brimming with a sense of accomplishment. Reaching the summit is an achievement of human perseverance and resilience, a testament to our desire to conquer the seemingly impossible. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists even at these dizzying heights. Imagine, if you will, a world where the air is thin, the soil is poor, and the temperatures can plummet to bone-chilling lows. This is the realm of the high mountains, a place that to us may seem inhospitable, even hostile. Yet it is here, amidst the snow and stone, that we find a surprising array of life. The flora that calls these mountains home is as unique as the environment itself. Alpine flowers, a riot of colour against the stark mountain landscape, bloom briefly in the short summer, racing against time to pollinate and seed before the winter returns. Their roots run deep, clinging tenaciously to the rocky soil, drawing nourishment from the scant resources available. Then there are the trees, the hardy conifers that stand sentinel on the slopes, their needle-like leaves and conical shapes perfectly adapted to shed snow and resist the fierce mountain winds. Some of these trees, like the bristlecone pines, are among the oldest living organisms on Earth, their gnarled trunks bearing testament to centuries of survival against the odds. And let's not forget the fauna. The snow leopard, the ghost of the mountains, elusive and perfectly camouflaged against the rocky terrain. The ibex with its gravity-defying climbing skills, effortlessly scaling steep cliffs. And the high-flying raptors like the golden eagle soaring above the peaks, their keen eyes scanning the ground below for prey. These creatures are all masters of adaptation. They have evolved to withstand the thin air, the cold, and the scarcity of food. Some have developed thick fur or feathers for insulation, others have specially adapted lungs to extract oxygen more efficiently, and still others have learned to hibernate or migrate to escape the harshest conditions. So, when we look at these towering peaks, let's not just see the majesty and the challenge they present. Let's also see the life they support, the diversity they harbour. For it is a testament to the resilience of life itself, to its ability to adapt, to endure. Life, it seems, finds a way even in the face of towering adversity. Mountains, these majestic giants, hold a special place in our world and in our hearts. They're not just awe-inspiring landscapes, they're living, breathing entities, each with its own tale to tell. We began our exploration today by unraveling the mystery of how mountains are born. They're not just a happenstance of nature, but a result of powerful tectonic forces that have been at play for millions of years. The immense pressure of colliding continental plates, the relentless push and pull beneath the Earth's crust, all contribute to the rise of these towering giants. It's a process that's as fascinating as it is complex, and it leaves us with a profound appreciation for the dynamic world we inhabit. Our journey then took us to the challenging quest of reaching their peaks. Scaling a mountain is no small feat, requiring not just physical strength but also resilience, determination, and a spirit of adventure. The journey is arduous, the conditions often harsh, yet the allure of standing on top of the world is irresistible. It's a testament to the human spirit, our innate desire to push boundaries, to conquer the seemingly impossible. But mountains are more than just geological marvels or a testament to human endurance. They're teeming with life, often hosting unique ecosystems that are found nowhere else on Earth. From the hardy snow leopards of the Himalayas to the delicate alpine flowers of the Rockies, Life thrives in these lofty heights, adapting and evolving in remarkable ways. These ecosystems are an integral part of our planet's biodiversity, and they remind us of the intricate web of life that connects us all. So, the next time you gaze upon a mountain peak, remember the epic tale of its birth, the courage it inspires, and the life it nurtures. In the realm of giants, there is always more to explore. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos. See you next time.